Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to set up paper trading on TradingView. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here TradingView application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. So if you want to set up the paper trading, what you have to do is go to the chart interface. For that, simply tap on the chart option that you can see at the bottom of your screen right next to the option watch list. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the chart interface. You'll be able to view the chart over here. You can simply open the chart of the asset that you want to buy or sell. Now at bottom of this chart interface, you'll be able to find several icons on the toolbar. Over here, what you have to do is find the icon for Analysis Hub and tap on it. Now you can see over here Analysis Hub will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option Trade with your broker. Now you'll be led to the trading interface. You'll be able to find several trusted brokers over here. What you have to do is find the option for paper trading. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the paper trading interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for connect. So simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be connected to paper trading. Now you'll be able to paper trade in TradingView. You can reset and readjust the account information like account balance, equity, etc. if you want. Now you can begin placing trades using the auto ticket and other tools provided by TradingView. So that is how you set up paper trading on TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.